In this video, I will clone a GitHub repo to my local machine. Once cloned, I will create a simple web page. Then, commit the changes using version control and publish or sync the local changes to the remote repo and confirm that everything worked correctly. Let's get started. You'll notice that I have already created the remote repo with a README markdown page on GitHub. On my local machine, I have predetermined where the local cloned repo will be stored. In VS Code, I will open the command palette, then run the git clone command. It will request the URL of the repo. Going to the browser window, I will click the code button and copy the provided URL. Returning to VS Code, I will paste the URL and hit Enter. A dialog will appear asking where to store the cloned repo. I will navigate to the location and click the selection button to affirm this place. The cloning process will begin and a dialog box will open asking if I wish to open that location in VS Code. Click Open. The new folder will open and a single readme.md file should be visible in the Explorer. Click the New File icon to create a new file and name the file. The name is not important at this moment so long as it has the correct extension. In this demo, it will be HTML. When the new file opens, I will create a simple web page using the built-in Emmet library. Type an exclamation mark, then enter. A basic web frame is built. I will add a title and H1 to the body, then save. In the primary sidebar, a 1 should appear on the version control tool icon. This badge indicates that a single file has been changed in version control. Click the icon to change to version control. Notice that there is a title indicating changed files, and below should be the name of the new file. Click the plus sign to the right of the file. It will now move to a Staged Files area. Add a short but meaningful text description of what changed to the message text area at the top of the version control panel. Click the check mark button. Two things should happen. A new button with Sync or Publish should appear in the panel. At the bottom of the window, a 1 should appear with an up arrow next to it. Both of these changes indicate that a commit has happened and version control is waiting to back up the commit to GitHub. Click either button to begin the upload to the remote repo on GitHub. When done, go to the web browser and reload the repo. The new file should now be present. Click the file to view its code. You have now completed the process of creating a commit and backing up the commit to a remote repo.